guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to make pecans with chocolate. This is a very easy recipe. The recipe is from Dr. Eric Berg. I just fell in love with the idea to combine nuts with chocolate, and this is what we are going to make today. Let's get started. Use 40 grams of pecan, 30 grams of Baker's unsweetened chocolate, and 1 spoon of coconut oil. Use a double boiler method and melt your chocolate together with 1 spoon of coconut oil until they become warm. Very easy to burn chocolate, therefore it's easier if you have it. Alright, this is the done form of chocolate. Now you just pour your chocolate onto the nuts and mix it together. Pecan is an excellent snack or dessert with unsweetened chocolate on the keto diet because pecan has a lot of fat in it, and if you want to look it in proportion, then it's 1 to 4 in proportion. And now get a baking paper and just take them out like that, like little. Even put a little extra chocolate on them, like this. No waste. And now you will put it into the fridge for about like 15 minutes. I hope you like this recipe, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. If you have any modification or anything to say, please comment below. You can find the recipe on our website and also on my fitness pal under chocolaty pecan life with our kids. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more easy keto recipes, and see you in my next video. Bye bye!